This is my Remitano account, and I'm about to purchase Bitcoin on this platform. If you're in Nigeria, this is easy to do. And you can see buy and sell right here. You buy Bitcoin and when it goes up later on, you can sell it. That is how you can be making money on this platform. And also you can refer people as well to buy uh can refer people to this platform to also do transaction on this platform. So right now I'm going to be buying Bitcoin, and the first thing we're going to do is to just click buy here. Then enter the amount I want to buy in Naira. Since it's Nigeria, I'm just going to be buying in Naira because I'm going to be using bank transfer. So buying 500,000. Okay, 500,000. And we're going to be buying it via Access Bank. This was a transaction I was kind of like checking out earlier. So we're going to be initiating it via this bank account. And we'll have about 15-minute window to transfer the money to the person's account. About 15 minutes, okay, for it to stay in escrow. So that's the instruction from Remitano. So we're following it. Click on buy. So right here they say open trade to buy 0.018882317 Bitcoin from this guy Ashma Link, total of 500,000 naira. And let's look at today's date. Today date and time. Let's Google that so we can see what the date and time is. So this is 8:44. Today's date, private location and all of that. Okay, so this is actually happening in real time. So click yes to buy the Bitcoin. So we have 15 minutes. See, the countdown has started. All right, so once we finish buying, we're going to say I have paid the seller. So we're going to be transferring this amount to this guy. Okay, and this is the reference. This will be in the reference. So I have to copy this and email it to myself. I have to email this to myself so I can have the reference. And also I need the account number so I don't go typing it and all of that. Just email it to myself so I can transfer from mobile. Okay, BTC purchase. So I'll just hit on send right here and I'll receive it on my mobile. So while that's happening, I'll be looking at the countdown timer. I'm about to transfer to that account. Alright. Copy this. I'm doing it on my mobile phone right now. I think I should. Okay, I want to record my mobile phone and put my bank information online. Yes. Okay. So countdown, we have 30 minutes now. Transfer should be going. Access Bank. Okay, so this is the person. And I'll put this code on the reference section right here. Put the amount. Reference, paste here. Then send the money off. So hit on transferring right now. Transfer successful. So I'll just click I have paid the seller. You have paid the seller all the required amount. Yes. So it is asking for proof. So now we'll be needing the proof of payment. For proof of payment, I'll need to download the receipt right here. I need to download the receipt. Okay. think I'll just screenshot basically. I think I'll just screenshot this and email the proof of payment now. Okay, so I'll come back to my email. So you can see I've just gotten a notification right here via my email. So I'll just refresh this. I guess I'm going to be blowing this out, so sorry guys. So this is a screenshot. I'm just going to download this real quick, upload it right here. Okay. Then yeah, this is actually more of like a payment receipt. Okay. Okay, so all I'll just do is wait and see what happens. So close this up. There's going to be a lot of blurring in this section. Sorry guys, sorry to be watching. So that is pretty much it. So the entire transaction will be set to be for around 15 minutes. And so we're waiting for payment confirmation. Wait for payment confirmation. So this is it. Bitcoin. Okay, so you can see you're buying 0.01 blah blah from this guy. Bitcoin of the seller is already locked and secure for this trade. Please wait for the seller to confirm that he or she has received your payment. So this is the steps. We'll just basically wait for the individual to confirm, and there is a countdown timer right here counting down. I think we have about 2 minutes left. Let's record. So the transaction just went through. I got the notification via email and my trade is completed. Okay, so you can see trade complete. You have received 0.018 Bitcoin from this guy right here. Okay, and you can see my Remitano, my Bitcoin balance is now 0.01888218. All right, Naira is still zero right here. Okay, so this was very, very smooth and fast. Approximately, give or take, let me say less than 15 minutes actually. Okay, so this was smooth transaction without me contacting anybody. It was very easy and smooth. Okay, so I encourage you guys to buy Bitcoin on this platform. So there's a link in the description of this video. I recommend you go and click that link, create your own Remitano account, and also start buying Bitcoin and also selling to make money online. All right, so make sure you take action, and I'll be seeing you in the next video while I get to keep my Bitcoin and we also stay happy ever after. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if you're going to be buying Bitcoin using the link in the description of this video. Also, once you register through the link in the description of this video and you buy Bitcoin, okay, contact me personally. My email will be in the description of this video. Contact me personally and I will be giving you some goodies, okay, some giveaway that will help you make more money from Bitcoin, okay, if you're doing Bitcoin trade and all those cool stuff. All right, there are some courses I currently have, as well as some important resources I would love to share with you. So if you use that link and you get Bitcoin, just shoot me an email and I can actually see the proof from my own end. Okay, so just shoot me an email and also I'll send all those materials to you. Okay, so if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed. My name is Francis Abagonye. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.